Hello, dear friends. Today, I want to show you how I get prepared for the speaking club events. I want to share how I do things on my computer. At the same time, I want to introduce you the Neve AI, which is like the second platform that I know after ChatGPT. It was like a monopoly of them for me, at least in my world. And I am happy that Notion also has launched their own, as far as I can understand, artificial intelligence feature with their web page. I had already applied for the to be the one of the first users to use their new feature. It's like a test. It's the beta version of this AI, but right now I want to try with you for the first time this new feature. So this is how I do. Today is the 8th of oh my God, 8th of February. So it reloaded. It's the 8th of February. Today I write the date here and it is the new today. So it's a Wednesday. Yep, come here. And it's the 8th. Yeah. As a nation, although due to the earthquake, although we don't feel so very nice, I'm gonna try to host this event. We must be doing something else, otherwise, if we keep watching the news and getting worried about everything happen, it is another psychological problem for us. So anyways, so how I start, press space and it automatically comes. As far as I can understand, they want to promote it as much as possible. So it is so easy to find. So now, just as I do with ChatGPT, I'm going to try to find some suggestions. Can you suggest me interesting, fun, and um, let's say catchy speaking club topics for intermediate level learners of English language? And can you give me 10 of them? Let's see whether it just works as ChatGPT does. And just last night when I tried it, for the first time, it was similar. Yeah, we can say exploring storytelling, importance of self-care, importance of self-care, making conversations, decision making. Music might be, power of technology, okay, social media, literature, creativity. Okay, some of them we might be talking about again and again. Um, so different cultures, I wanna say, and music. And one of them is gonna be about natural disasters. But before I delve into the details of the questions, I want to use my template queries, which I use for ChatGPT. I need to go here. I don't want to keep writing some things again and again. So whatever I write, I want to try them again. So speaking cloud for speaking. Okay. Can you So, okay, prepare sample questions. Mhm. Okay, we have sample questions. We have now we need to have questions. Okay, 5 questions for each team. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to write. So I'm gonna delete the others. Nature. The third one is gonna be about natural disasters. And now I copy them. Let's come here. Ah, Can you give me 5 speaking club meetup questions for the following teams? Uh, okay. And I need to say 5 questions for each team. Please. I'm gonna say please. Okay, although it's a machine, we need to be polite. No, I'm waiting. So it is writing, and while it is generating the response, we need to be waiting for them. Okay, culture. So this how it's just how I. Oh, okay. It's not cool that I have to wait until it finishes. Yeah, it's just done. So come on. Now, the first one is going to be about exploring different cultures. The other one is going to be about music culture, world of music, music culture. Mm, music. Okay. And the other one is going to be about natural disasters. Yeah, it's not something cool to talk about, but nowadays we are so surrounded by this. Okay, now I put the questions inside of these toggles. If you are new to Notion, it's such a like a magic for me. It's just a huge part of my daily workflow, I can say. And the last one is gonna be about disasters. I do it like that. So now we have the questions, and I just need to find some uh, photos, different cultures. Let me see. Oh my God. First one is okay, like a little bit scary. The world of music. I'm gonna find some on Unsplash again. Music world. Let's see. Okay, I like this child. We need some fun and disasters. Disasters. It is coming. So many of them, right? Okay, this is okay. Now, we can find here some and I just also upload here related videos as you see, and this is how I do. I come on YouTube. Now I say English conversation, and let's find something to embed inside. I prefer it to be something related with language learning. I want it to be as easy as possible, but sometimes it's not. Why it's so different, YouTube today? Um, it is not YouTube yet, but oh my God. Copy link address. Okay, I just copy link address. We come here and I embed the video inside. The other one is exploring world of music. Now I'm gonna say world of music. Talking about music, English conversation. Talking about music in English, both of them. Yeah, she nice. She seems nice. Why it doesn't happen? Come on. Copy link address, come to the main page. Okay, it's here. So you can watch these videos or you can always find further videos. And although it's nice, not so nice to talk about this, we might learn some vocabulary. We need vocabulary about this as well. Extreme weather events, typhoons, many things. So this, he is really nice, man. I like him. And when I see his videos, I try to upload them here. And now we are going to use AI again for sample. Can you create sample long-term replies for following questions? Okay, now I copy them, but following questions. Okay, I'm gonna prepare them here to copy because I have questions here. I wanna have some sample responses. Okay, short essay and dialogue. It might take some time. I don't want this video to be very long. I'm just gonna show you how to make the machine write these sample responses for you, and that's gonna be all. Okay, these are the questions. Let's see whether it can do it as effectively as ChatGPT can do. It's gonna create just here. Don't need to copy and paste. Let's see. Go, my man. Notion AI is now going to create responses for us using the query, using the request I inserted inside, and it one by one, it's supplying us with sample responses. It gives us sample responses which we can use during our speaking meetup, but the level is a little bit higher as far as I can see. Expandable culture, firstly, open-minded, tolerant. Yeah, and glossary. Okay, it's the again, just like ChatGPT does, somehow, after a while, after creating longer, I think to some extent, like longer responses, it stops working. And what I do with ChatGPT is I'll just say, go on. I'm gonna say it here. Go on, just it is, you're not done. Oh no, it deleted the previous. Oh no. Okay, it's not cool. I'm gonna give it another try. So let's see where it's gonna stop. I think it's gonna stop somewhere. I wish it didn't because I didn't like ChatGPT because of this. After a while, it stopped generating long responses. I had to write gone. And here, even if I write gone, it doesn't continue and it deletes the previous reply. I need to do something else. ChatGPT is like, I can say like really a chat platform, but Notion AI is different. I have just started to explore it. So as you see here again, the last sentence is not complete. I'm gonna say, go on with your response, please. So go on with your response, please. Come on. And ChatGPT normally can remember where it stopped, but I don't know whether Notion AI. Okay. So and it finished. So it is sorry. It finished, but it didn't write, I am done. But I had set it to write, I am done at the end, but it didn't. Yeah, it's a minus for you, Notion AI. But even so, I hope I'm gonna use it like this. I'm gonna give it a try for the dialogue part, which might be also very interesting, right? Where is my dialogue query? It is here. So let's write a dialogue together. Notion AI. Long dialogue between Imagine Fun people. But long. Okay, they are gonna be fun, hopefully. What was the theme? Exploring different cultures. It is going to be our theme topic. Okay. Oh my God. So I need to cut. I shouldn't have done it right here. So now go. Sample. We are gonna have hopefully a sample dialogue here. When you come to this page, if you find it difficult about vocabulary, you can copy the blog, you can copy everything, and you can use Google Translate to compare what it says. And yeah, we have really nice dialogue here. Actually, when I used ChatGPT for this purpose, now it writes, I am done. Okay, when I use ChatGPT, yeah, it tends to create shorter sentences with its dialogue. But here, I can see it has longer sentences, but a little bit harder vocabulary. Yeah, anyway, it is how I prepare. It's how I get prepared for the speaking club events, and I need to prepare the remaining two themes, sample response and dialogues. For the time being, I do this. Oh, okay, I think it's a little bit long. Bye bye, see you later.